In this video, we will show you how to replace your battery hold-down mounting bolt hardware on this Dodge Ram. This will be located right next to your battery under the hood. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To replace this, we'll be using an 8mm to remove the bolt aspect of this. With that out of the way, we'll continue on to our lower mounting clip. For this, you want to carefully make your way into the center with a pick. There's a locking tab. We'll pry that up and then push this out of place. Just try to get underneath that. Pry it up. There's that. All right, let's get ready to install our new hardware. We'll start with that lower clip. Pressing it into position, we want to align the mounting hole. Now we can install the brand new mounting bolt. We'll take that, slide it right on through. Start it in by hand so you're sure it's not cross-threading. And now we can snug it up. We'll use our 8mm for this. You just want to bring it down until you feel pressure on the battery. Give that battery a wiggle to make sure it's completely secure. This is perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.